Cryptocurrencies have emerged as an asset class that allow you to invest and earn significant returns. So if you are new to the crypto world and want to learn how to get started with investing in cryptocurrencies to earn money, here are 5 steps to get you started. Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Channel. Step 1. Do your research. Making research is the first step in figuring out whether cryptocurrency trading is right for you. Cryptocurrency is a notoriously volatile asset, and active trading can result in substantial loss. Before getting started, you must understand how any crypto you want to buy works. Reading guides, exploring the blockchain, and observing moves made by experienced traders are good ways to see if crypto trading suits your investment goals. Remember, never to trade more than you can afford to lose, and consider chatting with a professional financial advisor before you get started. Step 2. Decide if you want to go into long-term or short-term trading. Traders are typically divided up into 2 groups, long-term traders and short-term traders. Both are very different. Long-term trading is when traders buy and hold cryptocurrencies for weeks, months, or even years to sell at a profit or use it later. If you believe the value of a cryptocurrency will grow in the long run and don't want the stress of actively trading, then this might be your style. A good first step is learning to buy and hold cryptocurrencies safely. While short-term trading is about making advantage of short-term cryptocurrency price swings by creating and executing a trading strategy, it's more active, stressful, and risky than long-term trading. Still, it offers faster and larger potential returns for those who do it right. It also lets you profit from cryptocurrency prices dropping as well as rising. Step 2. Choose your preferred trading method. The next step is choosing a trading method. This is important because they are all quite different and require different techniques. In some cases, the same cryptocurrency exchange will offer several types of trading. There are 3 main ways of making short-term cryptocurrency trades. The first way is by trading cryptocurrencies directly against each other. You can trade a pair of cryptos against each other or fiat currencies to profit by buying low and selling high. This might mean buying a cryptocurrency before an important event, for example, Cardano adding smart contracts, and selling it into a stable coin once the hype begins to wear off. If you do it right, your funds will grow. If you do it wrong, your funds shrink over time, as bad trades and changing markets can eat away at your holdings. The value of your crypto will rise and fall, but there's no risk of immediately losing all your money to a bad trade. This method requires timing the market accurately, which can be difficult and requires a lot of research. The second way is by trading cryptocurrency derivatives. You don't have to own any cryptocurrency to trade crypto derivatives. You can bet on the markets instead. Derivatives trading offers much more flexibility than simply buying and selling cryptocurrencies, but it's also more complex and only suited to experienced traders. There are several types of derivatives, such as futures, options, and perpetual swaps, all of which have their nuances and can be used simultaneously. Crypto derivatives trading often includes leverage, which can substantially magnify gains and losses. Traders can also open short post-profit from cryptocurrency price drops directly, mitigate the risks by hedging, and make big trades even if the markets are relatively quiet. Derivatives can also be a very fast way of losing money. The third and final option is to trade cryptocurrency CFDs. CFDs are a type of derivative that allows you to bet on an asset's price movement. They, like other derivatives, allow traders to go long, i.e. bet on price rises, or short, i.e. bet on price drops, and leverage without owning the underlying asset. CFDs, unlike other derivatives, do not involve the open market purchase and sale of derivatives. Instead, you simply buy from and sell to the trading platform of your choice. While most cryptocurrency derivatives treat cryptocurrencies as a commodity, CFDs treat cryptocurrency in the same way that Forex trading does. Before we proceed with the rest of the video, make sure to check out the rest of the videos on our channel, like and comment on this video, and subscribe to never miss a video. Step 4. Learn the basics of cryptocurrency. Before you start trading, you need to be sure cryptocurrency trading is right for your circumstances and that you understand the risks associated with it. You also need to know how to read technical graphs and how various order types work. Binance offers 3 basic order types: market, stop limit, and OCO. Market and stop limit are the best order types you'll find on almost all exchanges, while OCO is a bit less common. Different exchanges can sometimes have additional order types or slightly different rules about how they can be placed. Step 5. Choose your method of exchange and begin trading. Exchanges are a convenient option because they provide a wide range of features and more cryptocurrencies for trading, allowing investors to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies while also allowing users to withdraw cryptocurrencies to their online wallet for safekeeping. When choosing a cryptocurrency trading platform, consider factors such as the order types it supports, whether it offers derivatives or leverage, and how easily it integrates with cryptocurrency trading bots, as well as fees and how they may impact profit margins. Aside from these 5 steps, you should also be aware that investing in and trading cryptocurrencies carries risks. Some of these risks are 1. Volatility. Cryptocurrency is volatile. This is one of the things that make it attractive to traders, but it also makes it very risky. Double-digit intraday price swings are common, and drastic shifts can happen in minutes. 2. Unregulated or manipulated markets. The cryptocurrency markets are largely unregulated compared to more traditional markets. It's an open secret that wash trading and market manipulation are common. They're also a lot less liquid than many other markets, which can contribute to the volatility and make it easier for well-moneyed whales to manipulate prices, force liquidation, and similar. Exchanges themselves are sometimes accused of manipulating their markets against their customers. 3. Inaccurate patterns. Markets will often follow patterns, but often they won't. This is a risk when trading anything, but the unique characteristics of the cryptocurrency market means it's a particular challenge there. 4. Cyber thefts and hacks. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets and trade on digital currency exchanges, which makes them vulnerable to hacking. They are particularly appealing to cybercriminals due to their online dependence and anonymity. Criminals use phishing attacks to gain access to cryptocurrency wallets and trading platforms. 5. Using excessive leverage. Many cryptocurrency exchanges will offer up to 100 times leverage, dramatically magnifying the potential risk. The volatility of cryptocurrency combined with high leverage trading can see positions liquidated extremely quickly. 6. Not knowing when to stop. When trading, it's important to know when to close a position and either take profits or cut your losses. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative way to make money. There are numerous trading styles to choose from, so do your research to determine which best meets your personal investment objectives first. Finally, keep in mind that trading cryptocurrency can be extremely risky. Cryptocurrency is a notoriously volatile asset, and even the most experienced traders can lose their entire investment on a few bad trades. So start trading only when you are confident in your understanding of the markets. You have thoroughly researched the best cryptos to buy, and you are up to date on the latest crypto news. If you are in doubt, don't hesitate to seek the advice of a tested crypto expert. That concludes this video. If you have any comments on this video, please leave it in the comments section below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.